Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation with topic the impact of hydrogen energy development on traditional energy market in Indonesia. My name is Marsuki and I am honored to present this analysis as part of my mid-exam for the Economic Business Landscape Analysis course at Pertamina KPC HK class of SBM ITB. Today we will delve into this essay. We will discuss how the impact of hydrogen energy development on the traditional market in Indonesia, the opportunity in the substituting fossil fuel with hydrogen as cleaner energy alternative, and how government policy and technology support can play in important role in this transition. Purpose on importance analysis of hydrogen energy's impact on traditional energy sector is reducing dependence on fossil fuel. Hydrogen offer a viable alternative to coal and natural gas, aligning with Indonesian decarbonization goal. And global traditional energy market show that what fossil fuel production and consumption and highlight the regional flow coal, gas, and oil show the strong dependency on fossil fuel across various region. For analysis, traditional energy market in Indonesia is Indonesia power generation remain highly dependent on coal with limited renewable energy contribution. High energy losses, 607 billion boy indicate efficiency energy conservation distribution requiring grid improvement and strict solution. And transportation sector and dependence on oil product highlight the need alternative fuel such as electric vehicle, biofuel, and hydrogen. Natural resource and reserve coal. Indonesia has abundant supply of coal resource and reserve with total national reserve 35.05 billion tons. And the Paris Agreement show that coal phase out commitment since signing of the Paris Agreement 2016. We have seen the global effort to phase out coal. Market characteristic, subsidies, and consumption pattern. Fossil fuel remain a backbone of Indonesia economic, and then Indonesia government provide fuel subsidy to keep energy price affordable, especially for low-income household. Consumption pattern, coal is primary fuel for electricity generation, contribution to over 60% of Indonesian power mix. Meanwhile, oil remain dominant in transportation. For the government policy and target net zero emission 2060 is a strong focus electrification with mass adoption of Indonesian stove. This long term align with Indonesia net zero emission target for 2060. For the hydrogen demand forecast by sector is hydrogen demand in more than quadruple by 2060, driven by mobility and industrial application. Hydrogen is rapidly emerging as key player in global energy landscape. projects indicate that global hydrogen demand will increase significantly 2020 and to 2060. Projection hydrogen market penetration in Indonesia scenario 2050 that Indonesia strategically positioned become a player in the global hydrogen economy. Those are country geographical proximity to high demand market like Japan, Korea, and Singapore. Hydrogen supply and demand. If we look at the other data from EI, there's a significant growth in the use of hydrogen in the ground transportation. Hydrogen supply and demand. Here we delve into the different fuel cell electric vehicle, FCAV brand and their performance in the market. Leading the charge in Toyota Mirai, which holds significant share market 50%, followed by Hyundai Nexo 30%. In Indonesia, PLN is for a front of hydrogen development for transportation. PLN has recently inaugurated the first hydrogen refueling station HRS in Senayan, Jakarta. Pertamina Indonesia, state-owned energy company, is also making significant strides in the hydrogen development in partnership with Toyota Pertamina, working build hydrogen ecosystem transportation. Focusing on gasification hydrogen production through this process with CCS resulting significant CO2 emission. The economics of hydrogen production, transportation are complex, are very significant depending on the technology scale and energy resource. And then the slides show that Indonesian case project led by Pupuk Indonesia and Pertamina. Pupuk Indonesia focus on clean ammonia production using green and blue hydrogen across multiple locations. Pertamina developing 5 major hydrogen project integrating hydrogen into geothermal refinery and power plant. This is the K hydrogen project. They are industry and transportation and electricity sector and hydrogen as a commodity. The project will support Indonesia energy transition, leveraging hydrogen for industrial decarbonization, clean transport, and export opportunity. Hydrogen can be produced several different technology. Its vary environmental impact that include green hydrogen, blue hydrogen, gray and brown hydrogen. Economic impact on traditional energy markets is due to declining fossil fuel power generation. Indonesia is experiencing a shift in energy demand with reduced coal export, increases electrification, growing role hydrogen industry sector. The price effect is transition hydrogen renewable is receiving fossil fuel price and market stability. Indonesia energy shift create investment into renewable, but also disrupt coal-dependent jobs, and present the strategic force adoption and policy intervention. Market structure analysis. The transition from fossil fuel oligopolies to competitive hydrogen market. Indonesian shift from fossil fuel dominated market to more competitive hydrogen market, focusing on clean hydrogen market development. Macroeconomic. Indonesia actively encouraging hydrogen vehicle adoption through infrastructure development and financial incentive to boost market growth. Hydrogen production is expected to grow, but pricing strategy and policy incentive will be crucial, making clean hydrogen competitive. And then subsidy reform shift toward uh, fossil fuel, gas subsidy, and green hydrogen cost projection. Challenge and risk. Cost the green hydrogen production is still relatively higher compared to energy resource. Infrastructure gap, the refueling station Indonesian face significant challenge in developing necessary infrastructure for hydrogen distribution and refueling. For the outlook, Indonesian rapidly emerging as a key player in the global energy landscape. As the conclusion is Indonesia Ministry Mineral Resources Energy and Pertamina have identified 17 locations with available renewable energy resource for green hydrogen production. Strategic step in Indonesia to take balance energy transition, renewable energy, building hydrogen ecosystem, infrastructure development, efficient regulation, and financing support. And importance of ensuring social equity in energy transition is working address skilling job creation, ensuring affordable energy access, equitable infrastructure and development. For reference, we based on 24 trusted references. I think that's all, and thanks for your attention.